Guys, and welcome to this video. And to this video I'll be showing you how to download Twitter videos without app. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'll share if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for arts and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So now head over to your browser. So now paste tap on the description of this video to be directed to this site. Okay, just head over to the description of this video and tap on this link. I'll leave the link to the site here. Okay, so once you tap on the link, you will see you will be brought to this site. Okay, so now on this site, now you just need to head over to your Twitter, or let me say X. So now you just need to select the video which you want to download. Okay, let me say I want to download this video over here. Just tap on it, copy link. Okay, now once you just copy the link, head over to enter link or URL, tap on enter the URL, then tap on download. So now, as you can see, here is the video over here. So now what you need to do now, they will show you different size qualities to download this video in which the video was uploaded on. Okay, so now let me just select 640 times 640 mp4. Then now skip this ad, tap on the X button. So now let's wait for this to load. So now after this is actually loading, just tap on this three dot icon after tapping on the video, then tap on this download button, download. So now you can see it's downloading. As you can see, it's downloading over here. As you can see, it's downloading. So guys, my network connection is not too strong. Okay, so guys, after this have downloaded, now just open the app, open the video, and you can start watching it on your gallery or whatsoever, on any you can start. That's how you download Twitter videos without app. Okay, so guys, before I conclude, I appreciate once again if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for arts and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, that's for this video. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day. Stay safe. Peace.